How to add stickers to photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the edit icon below. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the markup icon. Once you tap the markup icon, a toolbar with various tools will appear. These tools include pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, ruler, and color options. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus button. From here, you can add shapes, signatures, and other elements. Tap on Add Sticker. You can view all the stickers available over here. Choose a sticker from here to add it to the photo. You can now resize and place the sticker anywhere you like. You can also add more stickers to this photo in the same way if you want. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top. Then, tap on Done again. Following these steps, you can easily add stickers to photos on iPhone.